No sound no come out. That's the hottest pain, you know.
This is our little story and a true, true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I just said you live for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. You too? Let me see it. It's okay? Never mind. Need me to kiss it? Shall we sing good morning to you, to Ivy? Ready? Let's sing good morning to you. Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Ivy Arrow.
Ivy Butterfly.
Beanie Butterfly. Ivy Eyes. Good morning, everybody. She had such a good night last night, guys. Held such a long stretch. We're both doing really well this morning. So, yeah. Good night for baby Ivy. She's had a couple good nights now, so we think it will be a trend. So, you know, I'm trying to keep up with my milk supply for the baby. And so I've been adding, I made some lactation cookies, but now I'm going to try adding the brewer's yeast and the flaxseed meal. I add this to my cereal anyway, but I'm going to add the brewer's yeast to it and say it's the, I'm just using like a honey bunches of oats cereal, and then I do 2 tablespoons of each. Oh, by the way, you guys like my nails? Pretty? So nice. I did them yesterday. Hello. They're like iridescent. I don't know what it's going to taste like, so let's see. The flaxseed in there tastes fine. I just don't know how the brewer's yeast. Them says it tastes, but I did taste it in the cookie a little bit because I did so much, but my friend Tanya brought this back for me when she went away recently. I'll try one first. Let me just try one. It's supposed to be 2 you have, you know. Should I just muscle through? No, let me just try one. Oh man, I should have probably mixed it in the milk first. I know this is not the same as Wayne eating a mango, but better you know watch me eat this than Wayne eat a mango though. Oh no, where you get that from? Where you found that?
I guess it's daddy. I guess it's a daddy. Mommy, you like it? Mommy,
That's a no.
Mama,
Lad. But.
That?
We can't waste this though.
Mommy, open my candy. Open this.
This don't make it. I'm gonna have to put it back in a cookie or in a milkshake. I mean a smoothie. Ah, yuck.
I just wake up, come outside, and Tami is reminding me that our girl has to go to the doctor this morning. And I could have barely sleep last night.
Why?
What you mean?
What do you mean?
Me never sleep good last night, people. Just the thought of carrying my daughter to go and get shots.
That's not true. You sleep like a baby.
Me never sleep like no baby.
You sleep like a husband, which is even better.
Me never sleep like no husband. But speaking of sleep, I hear that my daughter is sleep. Not hear that, but our daughter Ivy Arrow is
What do you mean? Of
sleeping
course you
good
heard.
long hours in the night.
No, say it again.
Remember say me put her down. Tami, remember say, give me credit where credit is due, and me put her down, me feed her, pat her bottom, and get her nice and comfortable for her and relax.
Guys, I don't say no. Wayne does all those things. I get 4 hours of sleep. Wayne sleep, right back to, you know what time it is now? What time is it, Wayne?
Because I am dedicated to my role.
Yeah, but you get way more sleep than me.
Because I play my part and I do my part very well. Okay? People, it's not haphazard, it's not buck-ups, it's technique. that gets the baby down.
It's the food.
That changes her and she don't cry and wake up this one. People, you just gotta give credit where credit is due. And that's just true. Okay, that's just true.
Choo.
Momo over here, so I fry breadfruit, then dead youth. Watch out. So what? You couldn't give me one of them? I eat. Eh? If what? So what?
It's alright.
So what? If me eat food, source of food, you what you do?
We're blind, you.
A source of food alone there. So oh yeah, eat it. You're not afraid for blind.
Source of food there. When we want to eat. It's what I want to eat.
Source of food, me can't eat some too.
No, there's no source of food. It's what I want to eat. Too much meat no good. Sometimes you have to go around with you.
That is true.
Yes.
The people them said they're tired for cereals and eat mangoes. I see him eat cereal too. It's a small bowl, people.
It's a tiny bowl. You change the perspective and try to shame me.
The bowl is small. Look at it compared to you.
Go ahead. It's a tiny bowl, people. Yo, you know say. Come in.
Wait. Can you believe we still like each other? You guys have to go and look at our most recent reel that we did together. It's so funny. Momo said the breadfruit nice. I'm gonna try see what she talk about. Are your plate this, Mom?
Try breadfruit, man. Nice.
Oh, is the club the brown stew this? Alright, let's see. It's sharp.
Bud.
Nice. I thought you bring this?
Yes.
Oh, where did she get it from?
I know it's nice.
Oh my god. Guys, you know when it is just like soft, it's crunchy and crispy on the outside, but then it's soft and smoky and sweet. Might take a piece more. Look at the little sweetie sleeping. Oh, she's sweetie. What? No, miss. Nobody wake up, do. I talk too fast. I love when they use their imaginations. What's happening here?
A snowball
A
fight.
snowball fight. Who thought about that?
Me.
It's a good one, Atlas.
Ripping apart the paper.
It's a good one though, isn't it?
I'm having very bad.
Alright, Atlas, Momo, go and get you ready for me, okay? And I'm gonna get ready now.
Mom, I want to get ready too.
Oh,
I want to
tricky.
get ready too, Mom.
Okay, oh boy.
Can Ozzy come for the drive?
No. Oh, Jesus.
Mom, you going to get me ready?
Oh
Mom,
boy.
you going to get ready, Mom?
I have to get ready.
Okay. You going to take me on the road?
Not yet, boo-boo. Like, not yet. This is not gonna go good. Oh boy. Wayne.
Alright. Time for the dreaded
It's not dreaded.
doctor's visit.
It is what it is. We're gonna be
Yeah,
just
brother.
fine. Right?
But she can't take pain like the boy then.
She's fine. She's already had a shock, if I get.
I know I'm nearly knocked out.
Always we have to go before Ozzy find us. Because trust me, that's gonna be a problem.
Alright, I set up the car seat and
Thank you,
everything.
Daddy. Let's go. You grab this bag for me,
You
honey.
going in the back of the car?
Yeah, maybe. I have to like to keep an eye on her.
Alright guys, we're at the doctor's office now. We're waiting in the parking lot until our time to go in.
Yeah, we asked her that because she's only like 6 weeks old, so they kind of accommodate us, so we don't have to wait in the waiting room with, lots of the kids who are there because they're probably sick. So we just are trying to take as many precautions. Of course, it's time for her to eat, and thank God we're prepared.
As you can see, Atlas came along because he's gonna do a little checkup as well.
Yes.
And
I don't want to take a shot.
we had to leave
taking a
Ozzy. Ozzy is devastated now, but he should be over it by now.
I don't think so. We're gonna have to take him on the road. I don't know how, but we're gonna have to do it.
Yeah, guys. Alright, so next stop, doctor office to get shots for my baby girl.
Wait, why are you making it be so bad? It's fine. Wayne.
We just board in the car and we do a harmony them. Ready, Atlas?
Yeah.
Find the next one. Wow.
That was crazy, bro. That was crazy, bro.
That was beautiful.
Alright, if you know the music people out there.
That was beautiful.
When the man does the little one, never normal. It never ordinary. Yeah.
And then you come back down,
And then exit with the root. Lord gosh.
Oh.
You buddy?
This guy.
Watch Miss Ivy.
She take a break.
Yeah.
She come back.
Mm-hmm.
Me pull this buckle out her mouth. See if I don't hell and powder house in here.
Mm-mm.
You that laugh after we Maureen, you drop and groan. I said I'm gonna stop being the one to. I always am the one to be next to her when she's getting these injections. Not her. I mean all the children. And every single time they get an injection, I always say to them, "This is not mommy. I don't want them associated with me. But it's you for doing it this time."
No, not with the daughter. That was traumatizing.
It's always traumatizing. And she do one of them cry out. You know, the silent cry before the real cry. So you go, so
No sound no come out. That's the hottest pain, you know.
You do not want that.
That is the hottest pain. You know, when you ball out as a picnic and no sound no come out, you know, say, alright, get ready for it now. Build up,
It's
you
gonna
know.
come. Wait, I thought she was gonna stop breathing. Like it was bad.
No, that's bad. That is when the pain is like a 12 out of 10.
She couldn't cry.
Is when she get it in her foot?
In her leg, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I know she feel it now.
Yeah,
When she wake up, you know. When she wake up, you know, and remember say, yo, no sir, that one is rough.
I'm thinking to make some red Thai curry for dinner. I just saw this red curry paste at the supermarket. It have shrimp in it, though, so we can't give Jackson because I'm not sure what his situation is.
It has shrimp in there?
Mm-hmm.
In where?
It has a shrimp paste.
At all?
Yeah, man.
So it's shrimp you're going to do with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's normally chicken them do it still, you know. But this with some white rice, maybe some bamboo shoot can go in it. I haven't had a red curry paste in a red Thai curry in a long time. It's normally the green Thai curry we have. I think it should be nice. And then you just add coconut
So you
milk
are
to
cooked
it.
today?
Yeah, it's an easy thing.
So you go in the supermarket now?
Mm-hmm.
And me must stay with the baby?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Maureen, when you go to the supermarket, definitely
Get more? Okay. By the way, Unaga cost me because from when we're supposed to do this, but I was just waiting on Ivy to come so I could do everybody one time. I have to get passports because my son asked me today if he could go to Target and Chick-fil-A. See there?
They're ready, more than ready for make a one run out.
I did feel bad about it. Can you guys believe I went all the way to the supermarket and didn't vlog at all? I was just on a mission. But I'm gonna probably cook this meal with you, so I'll do like a quick little mashup of the food. And as I come home, I had to break up a fight with Ozzy and Atlas. These two, here they. Alright guys, so this is a red curry paste that I got. That's what was available at the supermarket. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna saute this off and then add some coconut milk to it. And then I'm gonna be doing shrimp with it, but I thought to add some bamboo shoots. I saw these mushrooms. Now I could have used fresh mushrooms, but kind of like I look at canned mushroom sometimes. And then I have some, what is the name again? Snow peas. and also some cilantro. So let's see how this all comes together. I'm also trying to do this while baby girl naps, so wish me luck.
Alright guys, so once again, the baby charmer is doing his thing. I put down the baby today, and the baby like she don't want to wake up.
Whoa! She said untrue.
I one little twist the baby twist. Fool in his shit talk. Who put on the baby? And me do the dirty work, the hard work, and she just go put the soda and go so and pat bottom.
This is a good conversation.
Anyway, me now pick up myself, go up on the road. Me say, alright, today Thursday. My cane man get cane from town. Thursday, me go around at the cane man little while. Me buy about $500 worth of cane. Then me here say, cause me notice him never dead up on the stall. My cane man check for me so much. Him end up drop off cane, come up here, you know, and Tami take 10 bag of cane off him. Cane reach today. Alright, right now people, me can buy and sell cane. Who want cane? Look on this here. Me can buy and sell cane, people. Anybody want cane? What?
Your POV when we go to the farm.
MTM family, if you know, you know.
Tried making this before,
It done?
but it tastes
Remember,
nice.
some already, you know. Pick up a shrimps with it, no?
No, I just wanted to taste the thing first.
So no shrimps now in there?
Yes, some shrimps in there.
So shrimps water you give me?
It's not shrimps water.
Don't come down. Stay up there and your car.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, it's spicy though.
It's very spicy. Oops, I forgot to warn you. Sorry, panna and curry is made from chilies. What is alright with the rice and everything is gonna be good. Wayne, Radam. Where are you going?
I'm just going around the block.
Oh, okay.
I'm well one drive out today.
For a little tea.
Just going around the block.
Okay.
Atlas.
You want Atlas?
Atlas.
Say it to Atlas name.
Yes,
You're not going to learn how to pronounce your brother name once and for all. Atlas.
yes.
No, Ozzy, look at mommy. Atlas.
Your turn now. Your turn now. You same name.
At. Come say it. At. Last.
Last.
Yeah.
Good try. Look at
I
mommy's
feel
mouth.
59
Look at mommy's mouth.
Look at mommy mouth.
Ozzy, look at mommy's mouth.
Yes, yes.
At. Last.
Yes.
Last.
Yes. We have come to the what you say?
We're here, MTM.
Did I say, I never say MTM. He know about MTM.
he
You
knows.
know?
Yeah, he knows. Because he came while I was cooking and he said, hello, MTM. Tell me your vloggers. Tell me your vloggers.
When you're him how much now? Him not turned 3 yet. When you're 2-year-old is addressing the camera about MTM, you know, say we're knee deep in
Yeah,
vlogging, in
no
family
joke.
vlogging.
He's grown in it. He doesn't know life without the vlog.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Not to mention Ivy. Anyway guys, today is D-Day.
Is
It's
what?
very exciting. D-Day.
D-Day? For what?
D-Day is 6 weeks tonight.
Oh, no.
Hashtag free up in the comment section, people. They've now go deep in it because you know it's a family station.
I have to do my 6-week checkup first. Sorry.
Hashtag free up. On to you.
Hashtag no way, no how.
On to you.
I have to do my checkup.
A cold front.
Whatever.
Guys, okay, so this weekend is a weekend vlog. I know it's a
weekend
big
vlog.
It's a big week. It's a holiday weekend.
Yes, because Monday is what again?
One of them.
Emancipation.
Yeah. so guess what? No, a dream weekend. If me never go out some fest, me could have go a dream weekend.
Hell no. I'm still mad at you about going to some fest.
That's in my dream. Only in my dream.
Only in your dreams. Are we gonna barbecue this weekend or something? Like, what are we doing?
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Nana is so badly wanting a barbecue. Nana gonna go live her best life.
Yeah,
right
she's gone to Pops for 2 nights. She's spending the night with Pops and Gigi, and so she's coming back tomorrow. So we have to barbecue. I feel like we have to do the seafood boil for her and Gio too. What's more important?
Food weekend.
Yeah, it has to be a food weekend. Tomorrow we have to prep.
That is it, you know.
Big and serious. We have a lot to do.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing for this weekend?
Yeah, and if you're going party and do the dream weekend thing, just be safe. Party
Where is dream weekend?
Responsibly. I mean, Tami, don't make nobody hear you. You're 60? Are you 70?
Negro?
Stop it, man.
It's Negro.
Yes, West End. The best end. The cess end. Come on now.
Wait, I haven't been in there in years.
That's what I try to show you. So we need for carry out.
Not no.
See Momo there. See Nana there. We can send for Nana, and we just know say we go out and we can live our life same way. One till. Calm down, man. You're just boring and snoring, so.
It's alright. Me tired of 4 hours sleep. Yeah, look right now for weeks. So good.
Today's D-Day, me have some energy for you, don't worry about it.
It's D-Day for you.
Dead day?
Dead.
You're wicked.
Sleep.
Cruel.
And put a spirit of sleep on you.
Cruel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Subscribe. I see the subscriber them take time to go up and read. So yeah, just keep the bus going and keep the, you understand?
Momo said touch the bell.
Touch the bell. That would be swell. You don't know.
She's a YouTuber.
He's a YouTuber, hello, and he's a TikToker.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Anyway, guys.
What would Momo's channel be called? If you did have a YouTube channel, Momo, what would it be called? You know, like you have Meet the Mitchells. What yours is the name?
Maduman.
Oh!
Maduman.
Linstead.
Time and no patience.
Time, but no patience.
She have only for patience. No time.
No patience. Remember that.
Momo. Maduman.
Unfiltered.
Meet Momo.
Meet Momo.
Ding ding. Ding 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 ding.